In today's digital world, having a degree alone is no longer enough. Employers are looking for real skills and internationally recognized certifications. Technology evolves every day. Cloud computing, cybersecurity, artificial intelligence, and Microsoft technologies are transforming every industry. Professional IT training provides practical experience, hands-on labs, and real-world knowledge that employers value more than theory alone. Globally recognized certifications can open doors to higher salaries, better career opportunities, and international employment pathways.
Whether you're starting your IT journey or upgrading your career, continuous professional training keeps you ahead in a competitive industry. Invest in your skills today. Build your future with professional IT training. Your career starts with the right knowledge.